Hello everyone, here is the next topic, system of units. There are four different system of units used are first FPS system, second CGS system, third MKS system and fourth SI system. The most widely used all over the world is the international system of units, that is SI system. All these system of units are based on the three basic physical quantities, that is the units of the three basic physical quantities, mass, length and time. First, FPS system, F for foot, P for pound and S for second. That is, this system uses foot, pound and second as the basic physical quantities or the units of length, mass and time respectively. Second, CGS system, C for centimeter, G for gram, S for second. That is, this system uses centimeter, gram and second as the basic units of length, mass and time respectively. Then MK system, M for meter, K for kilogram and S for second. Similarly, here also meter, kilogram and second are used as the basic units of the length, mass and time respectively. Then international system of units. Under this system, there are 7 fundamental quantities and 2 supplementary physical quantities. Now, the fundamental units of these fundamental quantities are as mass kilogram, length meter, temperature Kelvin, electric current ampere, luminous intensity candela, quantity of matter mole, and of the supplementary physical quantities angle, radian, solid angle, steradian. Now the definition of the fundamental and supplementary units of the SI. These definitions are given by General Conference of Weights and Measure. Now the definition will be learned as the given. First, the meter. 1 meter is the length of the path travelled by light in vacuum in 1 upon 299,792,458 of a second. Second, the kilogram. 1 kilogram is defined as the mass of the international prototype of the kilogram, which is a standard block of platinum iridium alloy preserved in the International Bureau of Weights and Measures at Sevres near Paris, France. Third, the second. 1 second is the duration of 9,192,631,770 periods of radiation, corresponding to the unperturbed transition between the two hyperfine levels of the ground state of cesium-133 atom. Fourth one, the ampere. 1 ampere is the constant current which, when maintained in each of the two straight parallel conductors of infinite length and a negligible cross section held 1 meter apart in vacuum, shall produce a force per unit length of 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 Newton per meter between them. Fifth, the Kelvin. 1 degree Kelvin is the fraction 1 by 273.6 of the thermodynamical temperature of the triple point of the water. Then sixth one, the candela. It was adopted as the unit of luminous intensity. 1 candela is the luminous intensity in perpendicular direction of 1 by 60,000 square meter of area of black body at freezing point of platinum, which is at the temperature 2042 Kelvin under pressure of 1,01,325 Newton per meter square. Then the mole. It was adopted as the unit of the quantity of matter. 1 mole is the amount of substance which contains as many elementary entities or the particles as there are atoms in 12 gram of pure carbon 12. Now the definition of supplementary units. First, the radian. 1 radian is the angle subtended at the center of a circle by an arc of length equal in length to the radius of the circle. Next, the steradian. The steradian was adopted as the unit of solid angle. 1 steradian is the solid angle subtended at the center of a sphere by that surface of the sphere which is equal in area to the square of radius of the sphere. Now, there are some practical units which are used in the numericals in the next chapters. First, 1 astronomical unit is equal to 1.5 into 10 per 11 meter. 1 light year 9.46 into 10 to the power 15 meter. 1 parsec is equal to 3.26 light years. 1 mu is equal to 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. 1 bar is equal to 1 atmospheric pressure equal to 10 to the power 5 Newton meter square equal to 10 to the power 5 Pascal. 1 angstrom is equal to 10 to the power minus 10 meter. 1 micron is equal to 10 to the power minus 6 meter. There are various other physical quantities which have these practical units. Next, metric prefixes for the powers of the 10. You all know that it is simpler to represent any numerical value in the terms of the power of the 10. Whether it is positive or negative, it makes the expression simpler to understand. Therefore, we use some prefixes attached with the powers of the 10. For example, 10 to the power minus 1 for used as DSC, 10 to the power minus 2 centi, 10 to the power minus 6 micron, 10 to the power minus 9 nano, 10 to the power minus 15 femto. Similarly, 10 to the power 6 mega, 10 to the power 12 tera, 10 to the power 15 peta. Similarly, there are other also prefixes used for the powers of the 10. Now, there are some rules for the conventions of writing of units and then their symbols. These rules are as follows. First, unit is never written with capital initial letter even it is named after a scientist. For example, the SI unit of electric current is ampere. Ampere stands for the scientist name, but it will be written from the initially with the small letter, that is small a, not with the capital A. Also, for the unit of the temperature is Kelvin, but it will be written as the initial small letter, not with the capital K letter. Then for a unit name after a scientist, the symbol is a capital letter. For other units, the symbol is not a capital letter. Here the scientist name, the unit which is used as a scientist name should be written, means the symbol should be written with the capital letter. For example, the unit of the force is Newton. For the Newton, it will be written as the capital N. For ampere, capital A. Kelvin, capital K. For watt, the capital W. But other units like meter, centimeter, kg, this should be written in the small letters. Third rule, the units of the symbols are never written in plural form. For example, 10 kilometer, it is in plural, then but it is not should be written as 10 kilometers. It should be written 10 kilometer. If it is 10 meters, it is not correct. It should be written as 10 meter. Punctuation marks are not written after the symbols. For example, 1 liter is equal to 1000 cubic centimeter. For short form, it is written as cc, but it should not be written as c.c. It should be written in the cc. This is the last topic of this chapter. Now we will continue with the next chapter.